If you're trying to reduce mobile data usage while watching videos, YouTube has a built-in data saver feature that many users overlook. This simple setting can help you save a significant amount of data without completely changing your viewing experience. So open the YouTube app menu. Once the app is open, tap your profile picture or the U icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the gear-shaped settings icon in the top right corner to access YouTube's settings menu. Scroll down through the available options and select data saving. In most versions of the YouTube app, this option appears near the top of the settings list. Once you're inside the data saving menu, turn on the data saving toggle. When enabled, YouTube automatically adjusts certain settings to reduce data consumption. For example, video quality may be limited to around 480p while using mobile data, helping videos stream more efficiently. This can be especially useful if you have a limited data plan, experience slow network speeds, or want to avoid using excessive mobile data while away from Wi-Fi. Keep in mind that lower video quality may slightly reduce picture sharpness, but it can also improve playback stability and reduce buffering on weaker connections. If you ever decide that you want higher quality video streaming again, you can easily disable this feature. Simply return to the data saving menu and turn the toggle off. YouTube will then resume using its standard video quality settings based on your network conditions and preferences. That's all it takes to manage your data usage and enjoy a smoother YouTube experience wherever you are.